Okay, guys, I bought it. Y'all seen this all over, girls. I know you have. I was gonna try it out, see if it works, but clearly batteries are not included. You know what else I find highly annoying? There is no instructions. Like, how do I use it? I mean, clearly I put batteries, and then what? Just add water and soap? Like, how does this shit work? I don't get it. I know I press a button, but yeah. Okay, so I filled it up, put some batteries in it. I just added some water, some makeup remover, and Dawn soap. Let's see. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Okay. I mean, it looks just like it did online. But we gotta see how well it cleans, right? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the water is definitely changing colors. The brush is cleaner. I don't know if it's completely clean. I'm gonna go ahead and put my beauty blender in like the ad showed. And let's see what it does. Because it's not flipping and all that like it showed online. You see this? Yeah. It's moving slowly, which makes me wonder if my batteries are dying already. And they're brand new batteries, but I don't know. I'm not impressed. Cute, kind of fun, but not impressed. So I've tried a few different ways. Makeup brushes, maybe. Your beauty blender, which is the main thing it advertises, nah, not at all.